Good medical morning. You've probably gone a couple days without showering before, maybe even a week, but have you ever wondered what would happen if you didn't bathe for an entire month, or even a year? Let's talk about your skin. You might not know this, but even when it's clean, it's crawling with little germs. Up to 1,000 species of bacteria may be enjoying life on your skin at this very moment, along with 80 types of fungus. Before you get too grossed out, know that most of these germs are actually good for us. They take up real estate on our skin, effectively crowding out the bad fungus and bacteria. Some germs also break down secretions from our skin cells to produce natural moisturizers and antimicrobials. But sometimes our body's natural defenses aren't enough to handle some of the more nasty pathogens. Now let's say you stop bathing. You use no soap, no water, no nothing. What happens throughout the day? You encounter a lot of germy stuff from doorknobs to diapers to toilet handles and even your cell phone. When you don't wash yourself, especially your hands, you make it easy for microbes to wind up in your eyes, nose, or mouth, and give you all sorts of things from diarrhea to influenza. Not washing also makes it easier for germs that cause skin infections to upset that all-important balance of microbes that call your skin home. So preventing infection is one reason we bathe. Why else? And before I continue, I just want to thank you for your continued support, and please remember to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. So, if you didn't wash at all, dirt, sweat, dead skin cells, and oil would start to accumulate. If you have a chronic skin condition like acne or folliculitis, not bathing can make it worse, and if enough filth got caked onto your skin, it would form into thick brown plaques all over your body. Dermatologists call this condition dermatitis neglect. We also bathe to keep from getting stinky. After all, we all need friends. You might think body odor comes from sweat, but sweat itself is odorless. BO actually arises when bacteria feed on proteins and fatty acids and convert them into as many as 30 different bad-smelling chemicals. Before you go shower crazy, here's something to keep in mind. Bathing too often can dry your skin and strip the body of its natural oils. That can create tiny cracks and inflammation in your skin, making it vulnerable to infection. Similarly, going overboard with antibacterial products can kill the good germs that help us fend off the bad ones. So, how often should you bathe? The dermatologists we spoke with emphasized it's important to focus on key bacteria-friendly areas like the groin, underarms, and face on a regular basis. They say that if you work in healthcare or exercise every day, it's probably best to bathe daily. But if you're mostly sedentary, you're probably okay bathing 3 times a week. That is, unless you notice friends or family members giving you dirty looks. And now you know.
Have you ever found yourself wanting to whiten your teeth, but those white strips are too inconvenient or too expensive? Maybe they cause gum irritation. Well, I think it's time that you pick up teeth whitening pens. Just brush them on your teeth once a day, and your teeth will be noticeably whiter in no time. Teeth whitening pens don't irritate your gums like white strips, and they're super convenient. I keep some in my car for the commute to work. Put them at your desk, in your car, in your purse, wherever. They're super convenient, and they're less than half the price of white strips. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. Pick up yours today.